Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney in Phoenix. I had a question online regarding a very serious accident that has occurred here in Arizona. In fact, there's been a couple of recent very serious accidents on the highways. I want to first say that there were several people who died in this accident, and my heart goes out to those families and friends who are mourning the loss of their loved ones. It is important, however, to cover these accidents and look at the legal implications because we can often effectuate change in the safety of the trucking industry by holding those responsible accountable. The families in these accidents need to understand their legal options. So this accident just happened last week near Holbrook, Arizona. This tragic accident claimed 5 lives and left 2 others injured in what appears to have been a preventable chain reaction collision. It's very sad to see these preventable accidents continue to occur here in Arizona. According to Arizona Department of Safety, the crash happened last Friday afternoon on the Interstate 40 near milepost 294. A commercial tractor trailer rear-ended an SUV, setting off a deadly chain of events. A Jeep Wrangler and another semi-truck were caught in the wreckage. The victims included a 17-year-old from Scottsdale, a man from New Jersey, and 3 members of a family from Colorado. Another victim succumbed to his injuries 4 days later. The authorities have indicated that the crash occurred amid heavy traffic congestion caused by detours from winter storm-related road closures. And unfortunately, this is just one of multiple crashes in the area in the last week, as I've mentioned, including another pileup in Williams that involved 22 vehicles and resulted in 2 additional fatalities. When these kinds of accidents happen, families are left with devastating losses and many unanswered questions. Why did the truck rear-end the SUV? Was the driver fatigued or distracted? Was there failure to account for road conditions? These are all critical questions that need to be investigated thoroughly. Trucking companies and their drivers have a duty to operate safely, especially in hazardous weather conditions. If they fail in that duty, victims and their families deserve answers and accountability. Many law firms, like my own, focus on picking up the investigation from where the police investigation left off. There's a tremendous amount of evidence that can be uncovered to find out answers to the important questions that we ask. For instance, we typically will hire a trucking expert within a short time to go up to the scene. And what they do is they collect evidence, they diagram the accident, they inspect the vehicles that were involved in the crash. This can provide critical details for us to continue the search for answers. Keep in mind that the semi-trucks will have event data recorders, or a black box is what they're sometimes called, that can be downloaded for critical information. We also want to identify and interview any witnesses that may be providing additional details to us. Oftentimes, the search continues into researching the trucking company and understanding who the driver was, uncovering what background the driver had on the road. Understanding their training and experience can often lead us to important facts about what failures occurred within the trucking organization. My firm has extensive experience in handling truck accident cases, and we understand the complexities of the investigation with multi-vehicle crashes, dealing with commercial insurance policies, and holding negligent parties responsible. If you or someone you know has been impacted by this tragic accident, I encourage you to reach out. We're here to help guide you through the legal process and ensure that justice is served. You can contact my office for free consultation at the number 602-283-4122. My thoughts and prayers go out to the victims and their families. These tragedies should never happen, and we will continue to fight for safer roads and accountability. Thank you for watching.